Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about 9 tips to lose belly fat for good. So let's get started. If you have been struggling with excess body fat, specifically on your torso, you may feel like no matter what you do, you cannot get rid of it. I want you guys to pay attention to this video as I'm going to reveal to you guys the top tips of proven methods that will help you lower your body fat as well as your belly fat. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set yourself up in a caloric deficit to support fat loss. If you don't know how to do this, you can see it in the description box below. You can sign up for my free macros blueprint, which teaches you exactly step by step how to do this in 10 easy steps. It is very simple. It is very straightforward. If you are not in a caloric deficit of at least 500 calories a day, you are not going to lose a pound of fat per week. And if you're not set up for fat loss, you cannot lose it off of your torso. Number 2, you need to be realistic about how long this process is going to take. And the way you do that is you need to know what your current body fat percentage, and you want to know what a healthy body fat percentage is for you. So for a woman, I'd say probably around 25% or less is a pretty healthy range. For fitness competitors, you're going to be in that 13% or less to see visible abs. Now, let's say you are 35% body fat and you have about 10% of fat that you need to lose. How long is that going to take, guys? This is where you have to be realistic. So a woman can lose about 0.5% body fat in a week. If you were going as fast as humanly possible, like a fitness competitor, it would be around 0.8% per week. But let's be conservative. Let's say you're gonna lose 0.5% per week, right? So let's say you're at 35%, you wanna get to 25. That's going to take 20 weeks for you to lose 10% body fat. And what ends up happening is most of you guys try something for a few days, for a week or two, and you don't realize you're gonna need to be consistent over 20 weeks to hit that style of goal. So you're going to need to be consistent longer. You're going to need to be more realistic about how fast you can practically lose fat, not water, not just weight on the scale, but how fast you can lose fat. And guys, that's the reality, 0.5% per week. So figure out where you're at now, where your goal is, and that's how long it's going to take you. The next tip to lose belly fat is to be smart about your carbs. More fiber, less sugar. Now, how much? So fiber is naturally found in fruits, it's naturally found in veggies, it's naturally found in some grains, it's naturally found in avocado, chia seeds, flax seeds. You should be getting for a woman at least 20 grams of fiber per day. Now, as far as sugar goes, which is a different type of carb, sugar is in a lot of processed foods, but keep in mind, sugar is also in some fruit like pineapple, like banana. You probably want to keep about 10% of your total daily carb intake from sugar. So keep these numbers in mind when you are selecting your carb sources. Number 4, include some natural fat burning herbs. Some of my favorite include cayenne, ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon. These are excellent. They are free foods. You can use them to season your vegetables, your meats, whatever you're eating, but definitely incorporate these even in the form of teas to help boost your body's natural ability to burn fat. Number 5, you want to avoid excess consumption of processed sugars and processed foods and processed grains. Yes, you can factor these things into your macros, but you really want to avoid consuming these things in excess as they're going to spike your insulin levels and it's going to cause your body to go into a fat storing mode if you consume too much of these things. Number 6, you want to stop drinking your calories. Guys, drink water. Avoid those sugary beverages, sports drinks, all the things at Starbucks. I go with black coffee and tea. Guys, you're gonna want to avoid alcohol as well. Don't drink your calories. It is excess. It is not going to help you with these fat loss goals. If you are serious about dropping your belly fat, you're gonna have to make some serious changes. This is one of them. Number 7, reframe your mind when it comes to food from what can I get away with? Like, what can I eat and still lose weight, or what can I eat and not get fat? Versus what can I eat that's going to make me feel the best and help me function at my highest capacity? Again, guys, this mindset shift is crucial for long-term belly fat loss. Number 8 is you are going to want to reduce stress. This is going to spike the cortisol hormone, which is going to cause unwanted weight gain. It is going to make it harder and harder for you to naturally lose weight. So make sure that you are managing your stress levels. And last but not least, number 9 is get plenty of quality sleep. So comment below which of these tips you want to start including. And again, you guys, make sure you check out the free macros blueprint link below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.